Toyota is now signaling that it's changing its direction about electric vehicles and its attitude about the future of electric vehicles. Toyota has today unveiled an all-new EV concept, the busy compact SUV, and titled it, quote-unquote, a nod to the future. That means Toyota is nodding to the future of electric vehicles with this concept. Now, while Toyota has been hesitant to expand its electric vehicle offerings, instead focusing on hybridized options, well, today Toyota unveiled the 2023 Prius, which I covered earlier. The company may be headed in a new direction. Today, the Japanese auto giant revealed the busy compact SUV concept, and the company's press release title is a nod to the future. With the new busy compact, Toyota has a few design goals. First, expand the in-cabin technology available to occupants, including implementing a voice assistant named Yui. This expansion of technology is also seen in the gauge cluster and center screen, where Toyota has used a flexible screen to bend against the dash, giving a waterfall visual effect. The second focus was on sustainably sourced interior materials. However, Toyota didn't go into details regarding what those eco-conscious materials actually are. The final focus was on ultra-modern design. The design is reminiscent of Toyota's first electric vehicle, the BZ4X, as well as the Toyota CHR compact SUV, which I personally like very much. And while I remain unconvinced of the claim that it looks like it's motivating when it's not, there says Tesla Radio reporter, it certainly has smooth body lines that will undoubtedly earn the owner some curb appeal. In truth, the busy compact is certainly dashing. While Toyota made it imminently clear that the busy compact is designed on an EV drivetrain, no technical specifications were released. And despite Toyota's intention that this would be a nod to the future, the press release did not indicate that the vehicle would become a production model anytime soon. But I think what's important right now is that we can record that Toyota is changing its attitudes, its direction about electric vehicles and to the future. The Toyota Busy Compact was unveiled just before the LA Auto Show that is planned to begin tomorrow. So the vehicle will likely not be the only new EV we see in the coming days. So expect a lot of new electric vehicles to see in the coming days. And Toyota is kind of rushing to say, hey, we're nodding to the future with this new electric compact, SUV compact concept. It is hard to decide, friends, what to make of this new busy compact. What do you make of it? In a way, it is precisely what EV enthusiasts have been asking of Toyota. It is a great looking electric vehicle model that could likely be introduced at a low starting price and could be produced quickly. Yet without Toyota's explicit dedication to turning the concept into an actual electric vehicle for customers to buy, it is hard to be excited about the reveal. Here's to hoping Toyota can execute what could be a great affordable electric vehicle and actually compete with Tesla in that regard. So let me know what you think about this new EV concept, and especially what do you think about Toyota nodding to the future and changing direction about electric vehicles. So I think we should expect a lot of new electric vehicles in the coming years from Toyota. Do you agree with that? Well, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. God bless you, everyone, and I'll look forward to reading your comments in the comment section below.